Millions and millions of Chinese-made toys have been recalled this year, and as a result have forced officials from the Environmental Health Department to issue a strong warning to consumers this holiday season and to review their policies. Gigi Williams tells more.
Reports coming from the consumer safety product consumer, and they are actually saying that there has been a new agreement with the Chinese government dealing with pre-existing exports coming out of China to prevent these lead paints and other unsafe toys that are being inspected. What we find now is most of the manufacturers are now doing more testing, so products are now becoming more safer for consumers to purchase.
In a recent article from the Washington Post, it stated American manufacturing groups have accused China of utilizing unfair practices, such as manipulating the value of its currency and funding its industry while racking up billions in trade excess with the United States. China officials have called the claims unfair. Williams said that although the TCI does not have a consumer service commission, shoppers must be attentive when buying this season.
It's very important to be a safe shopper. When you're purchasing your items, you need to read the labels, find out, check the warnings on the back of the products. You know, for those with little kids purchasing ride-on toys, do not buy ride-on toys if you're not prepared to buy the helmets and the other safety gears that go along with it. If you know you have kids under the age of 4, do not purchase items with little magnetics in it or items that are very small or easy for them to actually swallow. You know, try to think about the products that you're actually buying. You know, have an idea before you go into the store. Do some research to find out about the product that you will actually purchase first.
Even the Food and Drug Administration of the United States have been cracking down on Chinese-made products. In the past months, there have been recalls on food products, Mattel, Disney, and Fisher-Price toys. Some of these items contain lead, small metal that can be swallowed, to other defects. WIV4 discovered that there are even more serious issues out there. Earlier this month, millions of Chinese-made toys were pulled from the shelves of North America and Australia after scientists concluded that they contained a chemical that converts into a powerful date rape drug when ingested. 2 children in the U.S. and 3 in Australia were hospitalized. Although the popular toys were taken off the market for consumers, officials suggest that more policies will be enforced to rectify the current state of the consumer safety laws in coming years. For Channel 4 News, I'm Angela Saint.